Alright, so in this video we are going to discuss about the system that we're going to develop in order to address the two hardcore main big problems which is inside the solar panel by itself. So our main, the title is this project. What we're going to develop is smart solar panel management system. Exactly, this will be a system, uh, and so we are seeing that system as turning solar panel efficiency into a SaaS solution. So if you look at it, the key challenges facing solar panels, the number one big issue is overheating, right? This is the significant impact issue is into the solar panel. So normally solar panels is designed for working 25 Celsius or 77 Fahrenheit to consider the optimal temperature for maximum efficiency of the solar panels. But if you look at it, there are some places which are uh, having a more temperature than 25 Celsius. Uh, so definitely there will be the big problems because when the solar panels is working, internal parts will be get hot and there will be significant temperature issues or overheating issues will be there, right? So the expertise or else if you look at it, the current ongoing researchers and experts on the domain, they are always saying the approximately 0.5 percentage uh, significant efficiency drop for every degree Celsius increase in temperature above 25 Celsius. So our system is going to address this overheating issue, and the the larger issue is the dust accumulation. If you have seen some solar panels, uh, you know, with the dust, because dust and the derbies on the panel's surface block the sunlight. In the sense, then solar panel decrease the energy production because of dust of the solar panel, right? And what is should be done, and what you have to do, like in order to solve these big issues, you have to do something, right? So you may have seen some water pumping mechanism, or else the humans are, people or cleaners are getting inside the solar panels and cleaning manually by self, which is very costly and very time consuming work. The our system, our platform will be going to automatically do these all the task, right? That is why what we call our system is very intelligent. Without any human interactions, our systems will be done these operations by automatically without any interactions of human. So if you look at it, our intelligent solar management platforms components, the number one thing is our IoT sensor unit. Another thing is automated pump controlling unit, and to gathering IoT data. So we have to implement the IoT sensor actually itself inside the solar panel, and then the rest of the things are based on separate AI models. The which is the one is predictive fall detection system and model, and other model is specifically what doing is like, if you if I said it will be uh, forecast the future energy production, because the second part of this uh, the platform is very important for consumer level, and intelligent systems will work with IoT sensor and automated pump controlling. So then how it works? The first, we have to install all the IoT sensors and then the devices which is related to that inside the solar panels and around the solar panel actually. And then we can gather all the data. We have to process all the data. There will be some missing data, or else there will be unclear data. All the things should be uh, clear. And then we have to streamline all the data inside the database, and so then we have some backend mechanism, all the processing part of the data. So those data are the key assets for our system to manage all the things by automatically, right? Then based on that processing, based on that data, the actionable insights will be generated. The number one thing is pump control unit will be work, and then user receive fault and forecasting alerts in order to optimize energy production and maintenance, right? So those are the process or workflow of our system that you have to understand. So entire systems of our system will be could be able to monitor using the cloud-based software, which is what we call vertical SaaS product. Uh, the end user or a consumer of the solar energy is not responsible for manage all the softwares, components, and right the rest of the stuff related to the software. All the things should be managed inside the cloud, scaling or as maintaining, upgrading on the systems, which is handled by the developers of the teams, and the consumer no need to worry about the infrastructure of the of the hardware of the mobile phone or any other devices, computer devices which are having of the user, right? So what we are giving the solution is like we are creating mobile interface, a mobile application which is having more capacity, more capable to visualize the real-time data, and then getting AI-driven notification, AI-driven recommendation, all the predictive forecasting energy insights will be notified by user through this mobile interface, mobile application, or as mobile software, right? So what are the benefits of solar operators if they are using this system? Exactly, they can improve the efficiency of solar panels, because if you look at it, in order to address this overheating issue, we have to implement the intelligent system. Why we do that? Because we want to get maximum efficiency of solar panel out of it, right? And reduce the manual maintenance cost, right? The next thing is cost savings. You can see here the cost saving, and reduce the manual maintenance and the user empowerment, because if these things are this can be doing seamlessly, means the rest of the users also empowered, also motivated. Okay, this can be done by automatic system or intelligent system, by without any interactions of the human side, right? If these systems will be working extremely, means the rest of the people who are not using solar energy for as their primarily utility, so they will be also focusing about that part, since these systems will be work seamlessly, right? So then always we are looking for market potential. Of course, we have plan our target customers, and we know who are the customers that we have to reach, and of course these systems can reach for residential solar owners as well as large scale and enterprise level solar farm owners as well. There will be significant competitive advantage if the systems are using by the users. Of course, there will be huge market growth for solar energy industry. Therefore, there's no doubt about the market potentials. Our next steps is to build the prototype and the pilot deployments. And the end of the pilot deployment, if it is success, then we have to launch our full scale product to the broader market level. Of course, we are seeking investors for the future solar. If you are interested to about our system, or else if you have some domain expertise and about the domain of the solar, or it doesn't matter what type of expertise that you have, if you are very interested into that area, it's maybe from technology side, it's maybe from financial sides. We are always looking, and we are always waiting for that to our future success. And then finally, Q&As. If you have any questions or any suggestions or anything that you have to give us, and we are waiting for that, and we are very humble to waiting for that. If you have any question, and we are very confidence stage which can address this any question related to our system. Definitely we will be help you, and if you have any other related stuff also, you can suggest us by scanning this QR code. You can do that as well. All right, so this video is a very short video that I want to clarify about our system, our platform. And the next video, so I'll be bring to you about more about in-depth technical expertise, and how we are going to develop the systems, and how the entire communication is be done by the components individuals. Okay, thank you guys, thank you for watching.